Hello and welcome to Express Drives. Now Royal Enfield is known for its retro bikes, they are world famous for it, but they're also known for exploring the uncharted territory like the mighty Himalayas, the salt plains in Rann of Kutch, or even the hidden tracks in the coastal areas. Well, the brand has come a long way, keeping in mind that it is the oldest producing manufacturer of motorcycles ever since 1901. Well, it has evolved, and now Royal Enfield is focusing on safety, on luxury and on lifestyle gears. Now today we have a box full of goodies. The equipment that we have is based on the Scram 411, which will be launched soon. So let's take a look and find out what this goodie bag is all about. So well, this is the Scrambler goodie bag or the goodie box. Let's open the Pandora box and see what it is all about. As expected, it's extremely well packed, so nothing gets damaged. Let's just get the packaging out of the way. So the first thing we see here is a backpack. We'll check what it is all about. Then, of course, now this looks like an off-road goggles. We'll open it and we'll see also. Then, of course, there's a cap. Well, summer's kicking in, so this is really going to be helpful. Well, it is part of dirt tracking and off-roading, so you also get this shirt as well. This is a breathable shirt, as you can see. We'll open it and we'll see that, you know, it's all made of mesh. So yeah, we'll take a closer look at this as well. What else is there? And of course, how can we forget a face mask? For 2 years we've been suffering COVID. So yes, it's still reality for us. So let's keep wearing the face mask. And the last goodie here is a headgear that you can make it into a handkerchief, a face mask, a balaclava. You get the picture. If you have long hair like my colleague here, Akash, then you can tie your hair as well. So yeah, so these are the all goodies available. Let's take a look at them one by one. So let's start with the Offroad Jersey. It's quite bright and it has its own unique colors. So let's actually open it and see the material. Well, as I said, it is quite bright and unique, and well, as mentioned earlier, it has the Scram 411 logo here, and it is part of the Himalayan family. It's also mentioned right here in the back. But as off-road jerseys are supposed to be, they are like with mesh. They've got holes here, so you know it's breathable, and the material is such that you know it also soaks in your sweat, so it makes it easier to ride as well. So this is the Scram jersey, the off-roading jersey. Very colorful, it'll stand out, and it also gets this additional elbow pads right here, so even protection is not overlooked. You can see it right here, both the sides. So following with the off-road and dirt track trails, let's take a look at this. I think this is going to be the off-road glasses or goggles. Yes, it's extremely well packed. The case is solid built, so even if you drop it, it is safe and intact. And there you go, again it's packed. So let's open it, and this is how it looks like. It's clear, it's quite wide, and the strap here, it is adjustable, so you can adjust it according to your preference, your own helmet size, and it keeps a nice tight fix, so it doesn't move around as well. And it is the vision, it's quite clear, and at the same time, you know, the dust particles and all will not hamper you in any which ways. It looks dust resistant as well as water resistant. So this is going to be extremely helpful when you want to, you know, do off-roading or blaze in the gravel tracks or dust tracks. So Royal Enfield is also known to make extremely good and comfortable bags, durable, sturdy, water resistant as well. So basically an ideal partner for you when you go for these long rides. And this is no different. We don't have all the details, but definitely this is going to be water resistant. And you can see that it's got these broad shoulder straps right here, so for your long distance rides it's very comfortable. And as well you get this chest strap right here, so it doesn't move around or anything. And again, another one for your waist as well, so it's clings on to you. And then there are additional cushioning right here for your back, so it is very comfortable. So long distance biking or your journey will not be affected in any which ways. It has a lot of pockets as expected to make things a lot more convenient. You have these small pockets, you can put your little things that you need to. And if you like riding and wearing sunglasses, which I do, so here is a slot here. You can put your sunglasses or your glasses, whatever is convenient for you. But again, you can see the location is here on top, so that it's accessible. Then comes of course the major slot or the big slot here in the bag. It's quite spacious. You can put your notebooks, or even if you have an iPad or something like that, it's fairly spacious here. Now this bag also becomes like a rucksack kind, and you open these loops right here, and there it is. And this is the major slot here. You can put in a lot of things. You can put in your shirt, your trousers, your jeans, spare shoes, whatever you want. And the material here, it's clearly waterproof. So yeah, if you're like riding in the rain, you don't have to worry about your equipment, your clothes. That's not it. There's additional space here as well. Now if you are carrying a laptop or any gadget, so it has a lot of function. Honestly, it has a lot of slots. It's quite confusing for me, but it's really good stuff. And this is like a one-stop shop. You can carry your luggage, you can carry your equipment, you can carry your device, everything. You can stuff it in right here and it'll be safe and dry. So now it comes down to two headgears. We have the typical cap, which we'll open a bit later, but you have this multifunctional headgear that we mentioned earlier, which you can use it for multiple things. And nowadays with COVID around, you can use it as a mask, of course balaclava. It's a microfiber cloth. It keeps you dry, it soaks up your sweat, and as I said, it's a multifunctional cloth. You can even just put it around your neck if it's a cold winter day. So it actually is a very practical little thing here, and definitely it is something one must carry if you are riding on a regular basis. Now getting back to the cap here, let's just open it. So yeah, you can see it's 3 different colors. We are guessing it's something related to the Scram. It's nicely well, they have made the label here. It's stitched properly, very nicely done, and again good quality stuff, so it'll last long as well. So that's the unboxing of these goodies. They are based on the Scram 11. There are 6 different products, and not only are they world-class products, but they are also extremely practical. Now Royal Enfield has also priced them really well, and these will be available online at Royal Enfield's site as well as at their dealerships. Now these will be available once the Scram 411 is launched. Now speaking of the bike, please do check out our review as well of the Scram, and let us know what you think of the motorcycle as well as about the products. And if you haven't already subscribed for Express Drives, please do so and let us know what you think of this unboxing.